Been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed.
Good day everyone, I am Philippine Evangelista from BSDMD 2021, and for today's video, I will be discussing the summary of Lesson 3, which is the Philippine Physical Geography. The Philippines is located in Asia in the southeastern portion of Asia. It's bounded in the north by Taiwan, in the west by the West Philippine Sea, in the east by the Pacific, and in the south by the Celebes Sea. The Philippines is home of 7,107 islands, but the number actually fluctuates, and so it's really much closer to a recent count of 7,641 islands. The Philippines has 7 mountain ranges. The largest and the longest and the most majestic of these are the Sierra Madre. The tallest peak is the Mount Apo, which can be found in Davao. The Philippines is also home to many volcanoes. In fact, there are 53 active volcanoes here in the Philippines. Some of the most iconic and majestic ones are the Taal volcano, Mount Mayon, which recently erupted, and the Mount Pinatubo, which erupted in 1991 and was the second most devastating eruption in the century. The Central Luzon has the largest plain in the country and produces most of the country's rice supply. Its provinces are the Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, Tarlac, and Zambales. The climate here in the Philippines is tropical. There is dry season and wet season. The dry season happens somewhere between November and May, and the rainy season happens between June and October. The drainage system here in the Philippines must also protect the substructure system from erosion, from becoming sodden, and from losing its load-bearing capacity and stability. The average temperature in the Philippines usually ranges between 21 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 32 degrees Celsius or 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The Philippines has a humid equatorial climate characterized by high temperatures and heavy rainfall. Typhoon in the Philippines can occur any time of the year, with the months of June to September. The Philippines is home to 10,000 species of plants and ferns, and 900 species of orchids. It's also home to some of the smallest animals of their species, such as the Philippine tarsier, the tamarao, and the pilandok. And that's all the summary of the Lesson 3, which is the Philippine Physical Geography.
Been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. Would you stop?